Now, whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just want some extra spending money, these side gigs offer something for everyone. Now, if you're excited to discover these side hustles, go ahead and cheers the like button. And let's begin with number 1 on the list, offering plant sitting services. Our first side hustle is perfect for those with a green thumb. Plant sitting involves caring for people's plants while they're away on vacation or business trips. Your potential clients could be vacationers, busy professionals, or even businesses with office plants. You'll need a good knowledge of plant care, including watering schedules, light requirements, and common plant problems. The great news is that setup costs are minimal. You mainly need reliable transportation and perhaps some basic gardening tools. Earnings can vary, but you could charge per plant or per visit, with potential for higher rates for rare or high maintenance plants. In places like Austin, you can make around $15 to $17 an hour, and in LA, it can go up to $25 an hour. Not bad for keeping some leafy friends alive, right? So if you've got a green thumb and want to make some green, plant sitting might be your ticket. Just make sure you know the difference between watering and drowning. Next is online tutoring, or teaching. If you enjoy sharing knowledge, this could be perfect for you. There's high demand for subjects like math, science, languages, and test prep, and platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and Udemy make it easy to connect with students. Qualifications vary. Some roles require teaching certificates, while others just need expertise in your subject. One of the biggest perks is the flexible schedule. You can often choose your own hours. Earnings are solid, with rates ranging from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and your experience. Molly Wheatley, for instance, earned $90 in just a half-hour session by efficiently tutoring a pod of students, significantly increasing her productivity and income. Speaking of teaching, our next side hustle also involves sharing knowledge, but in a different format: freelance writing or content creation. If you have a way with words, freelance writing or content creation could be your ticket to extra income. There's a constant need for various types of content: blog posts, articles, social media content, and more. You can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by networking on LinkedIn. Building a strong portfolio is key to landing high-paying gigs. So consider specializing in a niche like technology, health, or finance to command high rates. Pay varies widely, but skilled writers can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 per article. Now, here's something exciting for those interested in starting a side hustle. I've put together a free 54 side hustle dossier that will teach you everything you need to know about making money online. It's completely free and down in the description and the pinned comment below. It covers the most important things I've discovered through years of testing side hustles, things I wish I'd known. So definitely click below and check it out. Tons of people I've interviewed on this channel have been able to create new income with that training. The next side hustle is super boring, but really does make a lot of money and is easy to get into: food delivery. If you've got wheels and like being on the move, food delivery could be a great side hustle. Popular platforms include Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, etc. You'll need a vehicle like a car, bike, or scooter, and a smartphone, and may need to pass a background check. Payment usually consists of base pay plus tips, which can significantly boost your earnings. One of the biggest perks is the flexible scheduling. You can work when you want. Pro tip: lunch and dinner times are usually the busiest, so plan accordingly to maximize your earnings. From delivering food to people's homes, let's move on to delivering content to their screens with social media management. In today's digital age, social media management is a booming side hustle. Services typically include content creation, post scheduling, and engaging with followers. You'll use tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Canva to streamline your work. It's crucial to understand the nuances of different platforms, as what works on Instagram might not work on LinkedIn. Potential clients include small businesses, startups, and individual influencers. Pricing can be hourly or on a monthly retainer basis, with rates varying based on the scope of work. Next is becoming a virtual assistant, a position that's in high demand. Common tasks include email management, scheduling, data entry, and customer service. You can initially find work on platforms like Upwork, Zirtual, and Time, etc. Key skills include organization, communication, and proficiency with various software tools. You can specialize in areas like tech support, legal assistance, and medical transcription. Pay rates typically range from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your skills and the complexity of tasks. It's very important here to niche down, either by becoming a particular type of virtual assistant or by working in a specific industry. For instance, tech support or real estate. Our next side hustle is photography service. If you have an eye for composition and light, photography could be your perfect side gig. You can specialize in events, portraits, or product photography. There's an initial investment in equipment, but you can start with a good DSLR camera and a few lenses. Building a strong portfolio is crucial, so consider offering free or discounted sessions to friends and family to get started. Market yourself through social media and word-of-mouth referrals. Pricing varies widely based on your experience and type of photography, but event photographers often charge $100 to $250 per hour. According to one Reddit user, they make full-time cash working only 2 to 3 days a week and suggest that events, corporate gigs, and weddings are where the money's at, rather than bird or landscape photography. Lastly, let's talk about renting out parking or storage space. If you have extra space, turn it into extra cash. You can use platforms like Just Park for parking spaces and Neighbor for storage spaces. This side hustle works best if you're in an urban area or near a popular venue. The best part? This can be almost entirely passive income. Earnings vary based on location and demand, but you could make anywhere from $50 to $300 per month for a single parking space. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, and don't forget to check out the free resources in the description. See you next time.